Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones HAYLOU GT7. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold both of multifunctional buttons on your headphones for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now close the case, open it again, and remove your headphones from the charging case. It will enter into pairing mode automatically, so just click on your headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!